In 2019, the Horniman declared a climate emergency. We believe the time to act is now. We have pledged to become greenhouse gas neutral by 2040 and redisplay our incredible natural history collections to highlight climate and ecological issues. You will find environmental and sustainability messaging throughout the Natural History Gallery and the wider museum.
The Climate and Ecology Manifesto is really central to all of the work that we do. We planted a microforest in the Miyawaki method. That consists of nearly 900 trees of 35 different species. Part of the selection of those trees was also really important because we were able to climate forecast a little bit, thinking about a decrease in rainfall and an increase in temperature, and thinking about those trees for the future. The planting will also act as a particulate pollution filter and absorb CO2 along the busy South Circular Road.
We're living in a period of time where the climate is under a huge amount of pressure. And at the Horniman, we're trying to do our bit to reduce our energy footprint and our carbon footprint and improve our sustainability. Within the aquarium, we've made lots of changes over the last few years. We've removed quite energy consuming lighting and moved all of the aquarium lighting over to LEDs. The carpet within the aquarium is actually made with recycled fishing nets. Fishing nets that have been discarded in the ocean have been collected, and the polymers have been taken from those plastics and woven into carpet tiles. And so the carpets that the public are walking on are actually a result of cleaning up the ocean, removing that what's called ghost net fishing gear.
We're also committed to composting 97% of our food waste on site, so that all gets used within the garden. So we use a Ryden composter and it gets matured in our main composting facility. We're also just generally thinking about our water usage as well, so reducing the amount of irrigation that we use in the garden. So that means planting species that are much more drought tolerant, generally thinking about water conservation in everything that we do.
If you want to have a green visit to the Horniman, we have a range of facilities to make that easier for you. We have dedicated recycling bins, including for our coffee cups, and the cups and lids are shredded and added to our compost heap. Additionally, we have water refill stations so that you can avoid single-use plastic, and plenty of bike racks if you'd like to travel to the museum by bike or even on foot.